Welcome back, guys. Tinker and Tom back on YouTube. This is a quick one. I'm just going to show you. I have an old truck and the volume, I would try to go up with the volume and it would just actually make the volume go down and vice versa, and I could never get the volume up to where I wanted it to go. So I actually just grabbed some mass airflow cleaner, MAF sensor cleaner, and I sprayed it around the grooves right here, and I pressed it in, and I just went back and forth a lot, and then maybe pushed it in and squished it in while I turned it a few times. And now
learn how and get a free offer at orchard.com. Orchard.com.
The contacts behind there get debris and gunk on it and oil, and then it covers the sensors. And then once the sensors get caked up, you can't control your volume.
I take Ibrance, palbociclib.
So if you guys need a quick fix for that, on old Fords or old Chevys with these type of volume knobs, or any type of old car with these knobs, try that first before you need to take anything apart. Peace. Also, when you use MAF Cleaner, the safe thing is that it's a quick drying solution, and it won't leave any liquid or residue. So it's quick drying, it gets in there and does the job real fast. It's safe on electronics. So you know, it's the only fluid you can use with that one of those most important sensors that goes to your engine. So it's something you can trust. As far as I can tell, it's worth a shot on these old trucks that you might have to replace the radio on anyways. So before you pay someone a whole lot of money to try to fix your radio, or go get an aftermarket one if you're okay with it, just try that out, guys.